Hello. In this video I'm going to cover the electric section of my homemade 5-axis milling machine. Right before that, let me give you another quick view. The machine is still a bit messy from my last project. If you didn't, you can find the video on my channel. It was a great demonstration with machining the small part, how the tool center point works, and how the machining part can be placed virtually anywhere in the table. So let's begin with electric section. For this video, I removed the filter so I can give you a better view. As I said in my first video, the entire electric section sits on this block, which slides easily thanks to these two linear rails and can be moved outside like this. This is very neat. If something needs to be repaired, replaced, you can sit here, do a repairment, and slide the entire block inside the machine when you're done. All components are placed on this metal sheet. So let's begin with this one. This is a variable control driver which runs the spindle. It is 1.5 kilowatts, 220 volts. Here we have a transformer, 42 volts, which runs the step motor drivers. Here is the bridge rectifier, the capacitor. Here we have a small 12 volt power supply which runs the monitor, lights in the machine, and powers the controller board. This is a Mach 3 control board, parallel port, which I run with my Linux CNC. Here are all outputs For the step motor drivers, here are all the home switch inputs. Here we have the USB port, parallel port. They connect with those cables, which are removed, so I can easily move the block out. Up here we have 5 step motor drivers. The driver is a DM556, which runs very great. I'm pleased with them. They do not overheat, which is very important. This one is for C axis, this one is for B axis, this one is for Z, Y and X axis. I marked it down so I can easily find them. All cables goes to the machine frame, steel tubing, so they are protected from the outside. When machine needs to be transported, that's very neat. And they go all the way up to the top, go out through here and connects with the rest of the machine. Those are connections for the home switches. Here we have connections for the front panel. This is for the stop switch. This one is for spindle and this one is for the coolant pump. We have another one in the back of the computer, which starts the computer from the front panel. The total power consumption of this machine with the computer is around 2.5 kilowatts. If you have any additional questions, you can leave it in the comment. I will gladly answer. I do hope you like this video. If you like it, there will be more content. So subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.